Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to have you here today. Today, we're diving into mastering Power Automate, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. This presentation will serve as a comprehensive guide to automating tasks, building effective flows, and enhancing overall efficiency using Microsoft Power Automate. Over the next few slides, we'll explore key concepts, practical tips, and real-world examples to help you get the most out of this powerful tool. Let's get started. Power Automate enables seamless integration between your favorite apps and services. This connectivity ensures that your workflows are not only efficient, but also tailored to fit your specific needs. When you connect different apps, you can automate tasks like sending emails, moving files, or updating data, making your daily work much smoother. The best part is, you can do all of this with just a few clicks, so automation becomes accessible to everyone, no matter your technical background. Power Automate is designed to help you save time, reduce errors, and focus on what truly matters by automating repetitive tasks effortlessly. Let's take a closer look at some of the key benefits of Power Automate. First, it enables reminders, notifications, and approval workflows that help keep you organized. These features are essential for maintaining structure and efficiency in your daily tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Next, Power Automate empowers non-technical users to build automations easily. This is a game changer because it democratizes automation, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical background. Another important benefit is its seamless integration with Microsoft 365 apps like Outlook, Excel, and SharePoint. This connectivity not only enhances productivity, but also streamlines your workflows, so you spend less time switching between apps and more time focusing on your work. Reducing manual mistakes is also a big advantage. Automation helps improve accuracy by ensuring consistent and reliable results every time, which is crucial for maintaining quality and trust in your processes. Finally, automating routine tasks can save you hours each week. This extra time allows you to focus on more strategic, impactful activities that truly move your work forward. Overall, these benefits make Power Automate a powerful tool for boosting productivity and simplifying your work life. On this slide, we're looking at the different types of flows in Power Automate, which are essential to understanding how to tailor automation to various needs. First, we have solution-aware flows, which run at specific times or intervals. These are perfect for recurring tasks like daily reports or scheduled data backups. Then, there are scheduled flows, which execute on demand, usually triggered by user actions. Think of these as manual triggers for immediate tasks, like sending a follow-up email. Next, we have instant flows, which are triggered automatically by specific events, say, when a new file is added to a folder or a form is submitted. These flows enable seamless automation without any manual effort. Finally, automated flows are designed to run in the background whenever a certain event occurs, making them ideal for continuous, event-driven automation. Understanding these different flow types helps us choose the right approach for each project, ensuring our automation is both efficient and aligned with our overall productivity goals. Let's take a closer look at what automated flows are all about. Essentially, they are processes that start on their own when certain events happen. For example, if you receive a new email or add an item to a database, these actions can automatically trigger a flow. Another common scenario is filling out a form. Once you submit it, an automated flow can kick in to handle the next steps without any manual effort from you. This means you don't have to remember to start these processes yourself. They happen seamlessly in the background. Similarly, creating or modifying files can trigger a flow to keep everything organized and up to date. This automation ensures your work stays current and reduces the manual effort needed to manage updates. Overall, these automated flows help you stay updated effortlessly and keep your workflows moving smoothly, which is exactly the kind of efficiency Power Automate aims to deliver. Let's talk about instant and scheduled flows in Power Automate and how they can really help us streamline our work and boost productivity. Starting with scheduled flows, these are designed to run at predefined times, so hourly, daily, or weekly. They're perfect for things like sending reminders, generating routine reports, or handling regular tasks that you want automated without manual effort. It's like setting a timer so your workflows happen automatically when needed. On the other hand, instant flows are triggered immediately when you do something, like pressing a button. This is especially useful for approvals, quick messages, or IT tickets that need to be addressed right away. You can also use them to save attachments instantly or perform tasks on demand. The key difference here is timing. Scheduled flows run on a set schedule, while instant flows respond instantly when triggered. Both types help us automate repetitive tasks but cater to different needs, whether it's routine, scheduled work, or immediate, on-demand actions. This flexibility is what makes Power Automate such a powerful tool for enhancing productivity and keeping workflows moving smoothly. Now, let's talk about what solution-aware flows are and why they matter. These flows are designed to promote shared ownership and control among team members, which is crucial for collaboration and consistency. When you run these flows, their history is stored in Dataverse, allowing for better tracking and analysis over time. This makes it easier to see what's happened and to troubleshoot if needed. Additionally, solution-aware flows incorporate flow drafts and version control. This means teams can track changes, maintain consistency, and avoid confusion as they update or improve workflows. It's all about keeping everything organized and transparent. They also support environment variables, which are key for seamless adaptability across different environments. Whether you're working in testing, staging, or production, these variables help your flows adjust automatically without requiring manual reconfiguration. Finally, solution-aware flows simplify updates through connection references. This feature makes it easier to maintain and modify flows, especially as your project grows or changes. Overall, these flows are especially powerful for larger projects and team environments, helping you manage workflows efficiently across multiple stages and teams. Now, let's explore how to access Power Automate. You can start using it through the Microsoft 365 portal, which serves as a central hub for all your Microsoft tools. This makes it easy to find and begin creating workflows without switching between multiple platforms. Another great option is to add Power Automate directly from the More Apps section within Microsoft Teams. This integration allows you to automate processes seamlessly right within your team environment, keeping everything connected and accessible. You can also access Power Automate directly via its dedicated website. This approach is perfect if you prefer a standalone experience, giving you full control over your workflows outside of other applications. For quick and easy access, pinning Power Automate in the Teams sidebar is a smart move. It ensures that your automation tools are always just a click away, saving you time and effort. And finally, within Teams, you can use templates and create flows directly from messages. This feature really speeds up your setup process, making it simple to build and deploy workflows on the fly, right where your team communicates. All right, let's walk through creating your first flow in Power Automate. To get started, click on Create in the left sidebar. This is your starting point for building a new flow. Next, you'll choose the type of flow you want to create, whether it's automated, instant, or scheduled. Each type serves a different purpose, so think about what best fits your automation needs. For example, if you want the flow to run based on a specific event, you'd probably choose Automated Flow. Once you've selected the flow type, give your flow a clear and descriptive name. A good name makes it easier to identify and manage your flows later on. The next step is to pick a trigger event, like when an item is created in SharePoint. Triggers are what kick off your flow, so selecting the right one is key to making your automation work smoothly. By following these steps, clicking Create, choosing your flow type, naming your flow, and selecting a trigger, you set the foundation for streamlining your workflows. This is how you start mastering Power Automate to boost your productivity and make your work more efficient. Now, let's look at how to add actions to your flow. First, you can use the search bar to find specific actions like send an email or get items. This makes it quick and easy to locate exactly what you need, saving you time. Once you've found your action, you can add it by clicking or dragging it into your flow. This visual approach helps you build and organize your workflow more intuitively. Next, it's important to set up each action's details, things like the message content or selecting a file, so everything works just as you want it to. Don't forget, you can also use dynamic content to pull in data from triggers or earlier steps. This makes your flow more flexible and responsive to input. Lastly, if you find yourself using certain actions a lot, you can mark them as favorites. This feature helps you access your most used actions quickly, streamlining the whole process. All these features work together to make building efficient workflows easier and more effective. Now, let's talk about configuring flow details and how to save your work effectively. First, using environment variables is a key strategy. They allow you to set flexible and reusable values, which makes updating your flows much simpler and helps maintain consistency across multiple flows. This way, if you need to make changes, you only update the variable in one place rather than multiple spots. Next, it's important to set how often your flow runs and to configure error handling settings. These adjustments are crucial because they ensure your flows are reliable and operate efficiently. If something goes wrong, well-designed error handling helps manage those issues smoothly without disrupting your entire process. Then, we look at integrating your flow with other applications like Teams, Outlook, or SharePoint. Connecting to these apps extends your flow's functionality and streamlines your daily processes across different platforms. It's really about making your workflows more seamless and integrated. Another vital point is setting permissions. You want to define who can edit or run your flow, which helps you maintain control and security. Proper permissions prevent unauthorized changes and ensure only the right people have access. Finally, choosing the right environment is essential. Whether it's for work, school, or another context, selecting the appropriate environment ensures your flow operates in the right setting, optimizing its effectiveness. All of these steps are about making your workflows more flexible, reliable, and secure, integral parts of mastering Power Automate and boosting your productivity. Now, let's look at how to initiate the automated flow. To start, you'll need to create a new automated flow. Think of this as laying the groundwork for your entire email notification system. Once you've set up the flow, the next step is to choose a trigger. In this case, we select when an item is created in SharePoint. This is a key point because it ensures that the flow activates automatically whenever a new item is added to your SharePoint list or library. After setting the trigger, the next crucial step is to connect your SharePoint and Outlook accounts. This integration allows the flow to communicate seamlessly, making sure your emails are sent without any hiccups. Then you'll add the Send an Email V2 action to your flow. This action is what actually sends out the notification. You can configure the email's content, including the recipient and message details here. Finally, to make your email informative and relevant, you'll use dynamic content. This means pulling in information from the SharePoint item, like the title, description, or a link to the item itself. Including these details makes the email more useful and directly tied to the new SharePoint entry. Together, these steps form the backbone of a powerful automated workflow that saves time and boosts productivity. Now, let's talk about reviewing the run history. This is a crucial step because it allows you to uncover error details and identify any edge cases that might cause issues. By analyzing the run history, you gain valuable insights that help you refine your flow for better performance and reliability. Next, we have leveraging the flow checker. Think of it as your systematic troubleshooting tool. It detects issues early, so you can resolve problems before you finalize your flow. Using the flow checker ensures that your automation is as error-free as possible, saving you time and headaches down the line. Then, there's the importance of step-by-step testing. Testing each step individually helps you catch errors early on, preventing small issues from cascading into bigger problems later. It's all about catching problems early so you can address them promptly. Moving on to simulating real-world scenarios, using mock data to test your flow under conditions that mimic actual use. This approach confirms that your flow behaves as expected in real situations, giving you confidence that it will perform reliably when live. Finally, developing clear test plans with defined expected outcomes is essential. By setting expectations up front, you can identify discrepancies quickly and ensure your flow aligns with your initial goals. This process helps you create more dependable, effective workflows that truly serve your needs. Now, let's explore some advanced tips and best practices to really take your Power Automate skills to the next level. First, leveraging AI Builder can be a game changer. It offers features like text recognition and form processing, which can significantly enhance your automation capabilities. These tools help reduce manual effort, making your workflows smarter and more efficient. Next, monitoring your flows is crucial. Using dashboards to keep an eye on your workflows provides real-time insights. This way, you can spot issues early and troubleshoot proactively, minimizing downtime and ensuring smooth operation. Another key practice is employing version control. By tracking changes and having the ability to roll back if necessary, you create a safety net. It also helps you maintain a clear history of modifications, which is invaluable for managing complex projects. Don't forget about clarity, using clear, descriptive names and adding comments to your flows. This improves readability and makes collaboration much easier, especially when working with a team or revisiting flows later. Finally, breaking larger flows into smaller, reusable subflows can make your automation more manageable. It boosts reusability across different projects and simplifies maintenance, saving you time in the long run. In essence, these advanced tips help you build more robust, maintainable, and efficient workflows, aligning perfectly with our goal of streamlining work and boosting productivity.